In this video, I was contacted by BOBLOV to do some product testing. They sent me this metal detector to try out, review, and post on YouTube and TikTok. So in this video, we'll be doing an unboxing, assembly. I'll give you my thoughts on what I thought about assembling it, what I think should be improved or changed. Stay tuned. All right, so let's open it up and see what we have. All right, got the user manual. We have a carrying bag for the metal detector. That's nice. Got a set of headphones, a plug-in. That's nice. They look good. We have a little digging tool. You can use it as a shovel, kick that out, use it as a spade for digging. That's nice. Two 9-volt batteries. Here is the display. It is backlit for nighttime usage or bright sunlight. And you got the arm cuff, which is nicely padded. It also comes with a waterproof 10-inch coil. So let's get everything out, put it together, and see what it looks like. So stay tuned. Getting the parts out of the box, there's two things that I realized that aren't really concerning, but I think should be added. And that is a cover for the coil to protect it. This control arm, this piece here is made out of metal. The piece inside is made out of plastic. So this is plastic. It only came with one screw to attach to the coil. So if you break that or something would happen to it, you'd have to order another one. It'd be nice to see two of these in the box. So let's continue with assembly. One of the other improvements I would make, they have these red and black wires with these caps for your batteries. So you change them in and out all the time. Most likely you're going to break these wires. It'd be nice to have a compartment where you just put the batteries in, not have to attach it. So we have the digging tool fully assembled now. So you can see it's a shovel, a pick, a can opener, and a root cutter. So that's pretty neat. It actually has a compass on the end of it. So there we go. We'll give that a try in the field. So in this video we did the unboxing, assembly. We had some comments about what we think should be improved. So the next video we'll take it out in the field, see what we can do with it. So stay tuned. So like always, I want to thank you for watching. Till next time, take care.